And as I was watching, you never expect to learn profound things from watching cartoons, right? But while I was watching Peppa Pig with my kids, I learned one of the most profound things. So Peppa Pig and his family are driving down this wobbly road, and suddenly they find the road is closed due to some road construction by Mr. Bull and his team. Now, because they are on a trip to the playground, they asked Mr. Bull, how long is it going to take to finish the construction? And his answer was so profound. He said, it will take as long as it will take.
It will take as long as it takes.
That was mind blowing for me. I mean, and I asked myself, what if I apply that to my life? How long is it going to take to get that driving license? It will take as long as it will take. But Swazi, other people get their driving licenses on their first attempt. Yeah, that's true. But for me, it will take as long as it will take. How long is it going to take for that business of yours to start giving positive returns? It will take as long as it will take.